What is the first thing or a word comes to your mind when you hear the word period?
So the first thing which comes in my mind when I hear periods is
annoying.
Shamat. Of course it is.
A lot of pain and irritation.
Mood swings.
पहले लड़की लोग को याद आते हैं.
Cramps.
Hello, Adayafat. I think it's the only term that comes in my mind when I hear the word periods and when it comes to me.
Sanitary napkins.
Is it necessary to wrap up sanitary napkins in a newspaper or black polythene?
No, I don't think it's important.
Because these are the basic requirements of a girl, of a woman.
Definitely not. You're not buying drugs or something that you need to wrap them.
Embarrassing with the truth that we bleed every month or in a reproductive stage, I think so. That does not need to be hid in a black polythene or a newspaper.
No, I don't think so. It is necessary.
When you're buying those sanitary pads, I don't think it should be a necessity to wrap them in a polythene, black polythene or a newspaper, because what you call shame is the pride and necessity of a woman.
Why talking about periods is still a taboo?
It's because women's body has been so much sexualized.
I don't know that why it is a taboo to talk about periods, but if it is, so guys, we are not growing our minds.
I think talking about periods is a taboo because of the mindset of the people, and this mindset, this weird mindset, is because of the systemic misogyny prevailing over and the illiteracy in our country.
Because according to some people, periods are shameful. Like you are not allowed to talk about periods openly with your father, brother or male friends.
Because our society has made it. We have been following it for generations that it is not good to talk about periods in public or to talk about periods with male friends.
Because since a girl starts to menstruate, she is taught that during her periods she is impure and she should not talk about periods in front of her family, especially the males. Because she should be ashamed of it. It's a sensitive thing, it's a private thing.
It's because of the conservative thinking of our society.
A myth about periods.
पूजा नहीं कर सकती.
Using tampons will break your virginity.
And only women get periods? No, transgender man may also get periods.
I'm not allowed to touch any soft food like achar, as my mom believes that if I will touch it, it gets spoiled.
If you wash your hair, it will decrease your flow and it will lead to infertility later on. And that is completely nonsense.
The myth which I feel very stupid is not to touch achar.
I have heard that a girl should not enter into her kitchen when she's on her periods because it is believed that whatever she'll touch in the kitchen will become impure.
Do you feel awkward while talking about periods?
Not at all. But I think I did feel awkward when I was a kid because I was subjected to that kind of mindset.
मुझे awkward feel नहीं आते.
No, I don't feel awkward while talking about periods.
I don't feel awkward talking about periods because I am a biology student and I think we should talk about periods. It's a natural process, it's a biological process.
Depends on the person whom I am talking to. Like it varies. I might feel awkward with someone which I am not comfortable with.
Okay, so when I started with it, I feel awkward. Of course, I was a child at that time. But now it's all great. I talk it about with my male best friends too.
What is so bad about periods?
What is so good about it?
Easiest question, cramps.
Unnecessary mood swings because at one point I am very happy, I'm very cheerful and joyful, and at the very next moment I become so furious out of nowhere.
पीरियड में सबसे खराब चीज कुछ भी नहीं है. ये पीरियड सब होती है तो बहुत अच्छा होता है. ये शरीर सुस्त है, ये इसका इंडिकेशन है.
Whenever I sit over a place during my periods और जब वहाँ से उठने का टाइम होता है तब ये चेक करना कि गंदा तो नहीं हुआ. Seriously, that's the worst part of it.
My whole body is like falling apart.
Period cramps.
Because it's a natural process, so there's nothing bad about periods.
My mood is like, if you come near me, I'll stab you. And the cramps, don't get me started on this. The cramps are like, they really make me cry a lot.
A lot of pain, mental stress, body aches, and everything. It is just a period of a lot of irritation.
A nickname for periods.
I am down. I actually use this, I am down.
I have heard people talking about periods as मेरे या इसके वो वाले दिन चल रहे हैं. So the nickname will be वो वाले दिन.
Nickname
Menses, menstrual cycle, menstruation.
Monthly days.
Periods को periods ही बोलेंगे, I guess.
I've heard phrases like being on the rag.
I used to call it happy birthday.
Down.
One best thing about periods.
I think the best part about periods is that my brother and my father treat me like such a princess type.
That happiness जब वो pain, cramps सही हो जाते हैं, my God, that happiness priceless.
कोई घर का काम नहीं करना पड़ता.
ये हर टाइम स्पेशल है.
Chocolates, lots and lots of chocolates.
They offer me so many chocolates, my favorite food, and they tell me they love me, and like so many good things.
Shows that being a woman is obviously beautiful as well as difficult.
As it is a biological process, then it purifies your body and it just disposes of all the waste from a woman's body.
Best thing about periods is that I get to take a lot of rest, which otherwise I know I would never.
A song dedicated to periods.
I'm happy and bleeding for you.
तुम आओगे मुझे मिलने.
कितने भी तू कर ले सितम, हंस हंस के सहेंगे हम. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Now we got bad blood. You know it used to be mad love. Now take a look what you've done. And baby, now we got bad blood.
जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं, दर्द संभालने होंगे.
आई हो मेरी जिंदगी में तुम बाहर बनके. Okay, that's really awkward.
It is okay to not check that red stain on your clothes. It is completely fine. There is nothing to be embarrassed or worried about.
Women go to their work, and girls go to the schools and colleges having their period cramps. They can be in a lot of pain, but they don't even let us know. You know how strong they are.
You have full life ahead of you, so don't let these 4 days stop you from being your amazing self.
Girls, you are not impure during your periods, and whatever you touch during your periods will not become impure. So don't be ashamed of it. It's completely natural.
Don't feel shy to ask a shopkeeper for sanitary pads.
We have seen movies of Iron Man, Batman. They are the real life superheroes. Women, you are the real life superheroes.
To all the women out there, I just want to say, chin up, beautiful.
It's okay to say periods instead of saying girls' problem, because it's not a problem.
You know what? Just break those habits, because it's totally okay to talk about periods.
Also to the guys out there, I would like to tell y'all that it's not shameful to go and buy your mom or your sister a sanitary napkin.
Girls, we are the strongest and most powerful creation of our God. So do not doubt yourself.
Cramps, bleeding for 3-4 days, mood swings. It's not easy, but you know, you're a powerful lady. Yes, you're a powerful lady.
Just relax. Take this time to give your body and mind enough rest and watch movies and have lots of chocolates and just have fun.
Talk about periods as much as you can, because ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बात करेंगे तभी वो कंजर्वेटिव सोच है जो सोसाइटी की वही खत्म होगी.
You guys are so strong. You guys are powerful.